So, hi dear Pisces, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a general love reading for all the Pisces, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Keep in mind, this is general. It might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the roles can be reversed also. Third thing, this is a reading from today till the 22nd of September for those who are in complete no contact or no communication and wants to know what's going on the other side. If it is not resonating, it's not your story, you can just skip the video. If you want to be a professional tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same, and it has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that. I'm doing it from a very long time now. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can mail me for the same. So let's start. Ta-da! So let's start, honey. Pisces, the person that you have no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now at this present moment. We have the Knight of Cups, the Page of Wands, the Page of Swords. Bottom of the deck is the Hanged Man. First of all, first thing first, this person is dealing with other energies as well, multiple energies at the same time. Okay. Now, this person is feeling like coming towards you with some kind of emotional message, communication, some kind of apology, and coming towards you like a friend, like pretending just to be a friend, okay, but opening up to you emotionally. Now, it could be an emotional blackmail kind of a deal that they feel like they can enter in your life with this kind of emotional manipulation only, okay, and okay. This person wants to pretend that they want to keep a safe distance from you because they know it's not going to work out between you and them, but at the same time they want to open up to you emotionally and pretend like they just want you as a friend only, and they are happy to be just a friend and they are happy to be at a distance from you. Okay, wow. So basically this person feels like manipulating you emotionally so that you guys are going to reconnect again, and then they feel like, okay, once you are going to be manipulated by them, or once you are going to open up with them, or once you are going to start communicating with them, then they are going to pull back their energy backwards. What I feel, basically, I do see this person feels like testing the waters with you, that if you still care, if you still want them, if you still love them. It's like coming towards you, opening up with you. They feel like that, and then distancing themselves from you because they feel like they have other things or other people or other energies also to deal with. What? Oh my god. Let's see what this person wants from you, Pisces. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? We have the Chariot, the Ten of Cups, and the Devil. Bottom of the deck is the Ten of Swords. See, honey, Pisces, to be very honest with you, their intention is to pretend that everything is okay, then that they are a different person now, they have a different version now, but their intention is still the same as it used to be, to keep you trapped with them in some way. They're obsessively in this energy of wanting to keep you trapped with them, keep you hooked on with them, keep you trapped like by hook or by crook. Even if they have to lie to you that they cannot live without you, they want to have a family with you, they want to marry you, they want to have this with you or that with you. Their only intention here is to keep you trapped with them for the longest period of time, as much as they can, right? They can't take the defeat, they can't take the separation or breakup. It's hurting their ego in a very big way. What? This is giving me headache. Pisces, if you are dealing with such an asshole, I'm sorry to say that, by all means leave this person and never look back. Block this person. If not, you're lucky. I am happy that this is not your reading then. And if you're a cross watcher, if you're trying to do all this with Pisces, get a life, buddy. Just do something productive and good with your life. This is bad. Really bad. Okay, this person wants to pretend that they are your friend and they don't want anything more than that, but at the same time they want to keep you hooked on them, keep you trapped with them, and not go anywhere else. Even if they are the one who is kind of having multiple energies, multiple people around them, they don't want you to be happy, like free with the like they want you to be with them, trapped with them, not in love with them, trapped with them. Luckily, I don't see this person coming towards you or talking to you or having communication with you. They are making stories in their mind, they are planning and plotting in their mind. only I don't see them taking any kind of action because they are too confused, they are too distracted by for taking any kind of action in this direction. They're trying their best to find out a positive way, they're trying their best to find out a middle ground to come towards you, to connect with you, to reach out to you, but they're not able to find any, right? So that is why they might be trying it with somebody else. They already have somebody else in their life. I don't know if you know it or not, or at least they are trying to connect with new people, new energies, because they are not able to connect with you or manipulate you. So I don't see any kind of action from this person's side, to be honest, but because they're not able to understand what they should do, but at the same time they can't stop manipulating and making stories in their mind where their emotions and their intentions are not good towards you. The guidance: Nine of Swords. Instead of losing your sleep over this particular person or situation, try to understand that the universe is protecting you from being in a trap, from being in a jail. Even if you think the universe is against you, even if you think the universe doesn't love you, it's exactly the opposite of what you're thinking, Pisces. That universe is kind of trying to protect you from being hurt or harmed more than whatever you already had with this particular person or energy. Understand this. This is protection from the universe's side. Even if you're taking it as your worst nightmare, okay, right now. Whatever happened, happened. Now the universe is kind of trying to protect you. You got your lessons, you got your blessings out of this situation. It's time for you to move on and stop blaming the universe. Sorry, this is what I have for you. Hope this helps. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Pisces. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you. Namaste.